The perfect holiday Igbo gift is $20 off. There's even raffle giveaways to fundraise for orphan children in Owerri, Nigeria. You can get a signed author copy of Igbo books. Will we be seeing you this Sunday, November 23rd at Shea Grocery in Houston, Texas?
The Mr. Obi gift set is officially in stores. Diana, come let me show you. Ahambo Agochuko Obiago, and I'm the founder of Chetibo. And my 4-year-old and I, we have built the first ever Igbo toy, and he sings and speaks in Igbo language. This is Mr. Obi, and this Mr. Obi gift set can be found at Chi Grocery off of Westheimer, right here in the heart of Houston, Texas.
Yan sa Mr. Obi, I am so